If you're looking for Creative Commons video clips download, keep watching. In this video, I share 7 best places to find Creative Commons videos. The first site is Vimeo Creative Commons. This site offers different types of Creative Commons licenses. If you're unsure which license fits your need, there's a handy explanation on the right-hand side of the main page. Underneath each of the different licenses is a link to browse through all the videos of that type. Alternatively, you can use the search bar and type the subject that you want. Once you get the results, you see on the left-hand side the filters. Click on More Filters, go to the license and select the type of Creative Commons videos that you are looking for. The second one is Pixabay. Pixabay has a great Creative Commons video library. You can search for the type of video you need. To download, I click on the video and it takes me to the download page. As you see, it has a Creative Commons license. Videvo. Videvo offers completely free stock footage and motion graphics for use in any project. Currently, there are 3 types of licenses. One is the royalty-free license, the Videvo Attribution license, and Creative Commons 3.0. Be sure to check all the details of the license before you use the clip. The fourth one is the YouTube Creative Commons video library. Did you know that there is a YouTube search for Creative Commons videos? If you want to know how to find Creative Commons videos on YouTube, it's easy. When you are searching for videos, click on Filters and under Features you see Creative Commons. Click that. Then the videos that you get in the search results will all be of Creative Commons license. There are many channels with Creative Commons videos on YouTube, so you get a better choice by using the YouTube Creative Commons video library. Flickr. Flickr has over 95,000 videos licensed under Creative Commons. When you do the search, make sure to select the option All Creative Commons. While most of them are amateur homemade video clips, you can find some hidden gems to use in your projects. The sixth one is called Splashbase. When you search, make sure to select videos only. It shows the type of video and the license as Creative Commons license. Archive. While Archive is a storage site for archived media, it also features content with Creative Commons licenses, including videos. There is no special section for content. Simply do a search for it, and once you click on the video of your choice, it will say in the identification information towards the bottom if it's Creative Commons license. If it says nothing regarding this, consider it's not licensed.